So mine now. Kiefer knows. Doing this.
It's okay. It's okay.
No, you're not. It's okay. It's okay. I have all your important stuff now. Are you crying?
You can't leave us.
Don't cry. Don't cry. I protect you. It's okay. It's okay. Look at me. Just look at me. Look at me. It's okay. It's okay. Can I have one tear?
Yeah.
I let you go. Give me. Look.
Okay.
Yeah. Ooh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Please. Come here. No, take it.
Look at him, I'll stop.
Look, check this out. Just take it. Hold on. No, I need to eat one tear.
It's okay.
If I eat one tear, I'll go away.
Don't lick my face.
No, I'm not gonna lick your face. I'm gonna take it.
It's okay. It's okay.
Just lick your mouth.
No, I eat her tears.
It tastes good.
No, I mean it sustains. It's all right. Thank you.
She's 12.
So, why does that have reference to do with anything?
Is that any better? Look. You sure? He likes to eat hair. Oh, don't eat
Hair tastes delicious.
it. Tastes
That's
great,
nasty
doesn't
as fuck.
Sí, speaks español.
No, look, he's gonna help you. This is
Él quiere tus lágrimas. Dale tus lágrimas.
He just wants to eat your tears.
Yeah, I just needed one tear.
Una lágrima. Una lágrima.
Just one. And
Una lágrima nomás.
I'll leave you alone.
Just take that.
It's okay. It's okay.
Una lágrima. Dale una lágrima.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I'll protect you.
¿De quién era la idea?
Just eat your hair.
Whose idea was it to bring her here? ¿De dónde eres?
Oh,
¿De
they don't
dónde
have
eres?
this where she is.
España.
Oh,
¿Eres española vos?
España.
Ah, vale.
tell her I need to eat her tears,
Hey,
or I won't go away.
quiere comerse tus lágrimas.
Gaby.
She has.
Gaby! Oh, Gaby. Her name is Gaby.
I know.
Gaby.
Todo va a estar bien, Gaby.
Look, hold my hand down.
Hi,
I keep
Gaby.
you safe. I keep you safe.
What up?
Yeah, it's okay.
What's the most American thing we can do?
It's okay. It's safe forever.
Gaby.
I need one tear.
Does it hurt?
You want me to do? I do.
Don't do it on me.
Why?
Because
Yeah, spit.
because it's already been on you. I don't want to like.
What if we scratch it?
But what if you have herpes?
I don't.
Are you sure?
You just take my word for it. I don't.
Are you sure though?
I'm not actually sure, but
What does that say? Your stepdad's real?
You die.
Can I get a picture with you? Can I get a picture? I'm sorry. Please.
picture.
Picture. All right. It's in my ear. Can I get a picture with you, man?
Head on over there where the clowns are. Whoa.
Well, earlier.
Little tickle boy, I like this.
Feel
one.
that? Yeah, I've been.
Yeah.
I lift weights. You know?
Oh, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I want those. Give me that.
You got some.
No, I want those ones. Give me them.
You're good.
Give it to me.
You're good. You got some new shoes.
Watch out, watch out. Watch out.
Whoa!
It's okay. It's okay. Kids are safe. Kids are safe.
Thank you.
Ah.
We'll give my boss the one in the blue shirt. Chill, you can't fucking touch me. Chill, bro, chill. Chill, chill. I broke my toe already, please. Not scare me. Oh my gosh, wait, I have.
Yeah, she's just about it. Like those like booktok girls. That's literally her.
She pretty much can't read.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes more sense. But she would be in that classification
Yes,
if
absolutely.
she
Yeah,
could.
yeah.
Okay.
But like, you still haven't pierced my lips. So.
Oh God.
You love me. It's okay. You knew I was coming back for you. It's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, I did.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna tell them to like put a bag on your head.
Don't worry. Oh, a bag on my head.
Yeah,
I'd
but
still do it.
yeah,
it's
yeah.
okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I got sat on babysitting duty.
They say
Yeah.
this man is the love of my life.
Watch out, be careful. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Where are you going? My legs are so much longer, dude. My legs are longer than yours. So I'm faster.
My legs can't.
Longer legs, faster. Longer legs, faster. That's how that works. You cannot outrun me. It's physically impossible for you to do so. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Away from you.
Nope. See now, no. It's time. It's time.
It's time for what?
You gotta stay here. I'm gonna have to put you in a trash can.
in the trash?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put you in
For
trash.
hell no.
You know I can catch you. You got
you
that
can get
tiny
up.
legs, tiny legs. Let me just put my fingers in your ears.
In my ears.
Yeah. And I'll let you go. Just one time.
Oh hell.
I wanna get the earwax out of there. There's gotta be a little bit in there.